Yes, my people, I hope you all remember this one. It's the 1965 Chevy Malibu. We got our running good. New carburetor, fresh oil change. Yeah, that's my friend Blake. That's his car. Hope you can see him. So, yeah, he are purring every yeah. Yeah. Hey, I'ma go down. Are you going in front? I'ma record you while you're driving. I'ma back up so you go out and I'ma ride behind you and record you and then I park in the front. Yeah. Yes, my people. Told you I was gonna tell you the story on this one. So as you can see, we got her running real good, sounding real saucy. And that's the girl right there. She is a beast to be reckoned with. That girl, yeah. That's her. Rumbling. That's her. Yep. That's her. We're gonna take her for a spin. Just gotta find somewhere to park my truck. Then we're gonna go ride it. Start the video for now.